Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice, and right here I have a Crown CDI core drive, and this is the 2600, which you can see the models here that they make that ship in the same type of box, but this is the one we have. So with that being said, go ahead and leave it open here. And just like everything, comes with your manual, power supply. We have some rack ears to rack mount this, and then it looks like a couple Phoenix connectors inside of there for the connections on the back side. Alright, so now that we're back, we had a little interruption. We're here at our store today just creating these videos, so every now and again we have people walking in. So now that we've got that cleared out of the way, continue talking about our Crown CDI core drive 2/600. And this particular amplifier already has these pre-made rack ears on the front, so it's ready to rack mount in any rack. It's a 2U rack mount. So with that being said, if you look at the front, it's very nice. It only has a few different buttons to choose from. This whole front here around the display is breathable with this cloth here, and if you take it out, you can actually clean that off and then reinstall it. It just helps keep all the equipment from getting dust inside. So as we turn it around the back side of here, we have an exit fan to port all that heat. Then we have our power, we have our speaker output, we have Ethernet, and then we also have an input. It's right here using the Phoenix connector. And then we have this GPIO aux, which is using another Phoenix connector that came in our package. If you're curious about what we can use Crown amplifiers for, we can do a lot of things with them. They make a lot of different applications as far as amplifiers for outside, inside, theater rooms, you name it. So if you're in the need of a Crown amplifier, give us a call and we'll get you helped out. Stay tuned for any more videos coming up, especially on the one that this will be installed in the house here soon. Have a great choice day.